What's going on, everybody? My name is Stephen Wimberley and this is Working with Wimberley, and I'm going to show you how to get the artwork on your iPhone. So right here we have a song called All Gravy by Matt Large, and we can see that there is no artwork on the phone. But if we look in the iTunes, we can see the artwork there. You can even see it up top where it's playing. So I'm going to quickly hit sync and let you see that even after you sync it, the artwork will not go to the iPhone. The sync is complete. We still don't have artwork even though we have artwork in iTunes. So here's the solution. The solution is to click the three dots in the lower right hand corner and then click Get Info. And after that, this screen will pop up. You need to go to the artist name, type a space after the artist name. So I'll show you again. Type one space after the artist name. Click OK. And now I'm going to go sync and watch what happens. Boom. There's the artwork. So you may want to go back, click the three dots, get info again, and then go to the artist name. Delete that space, click OK, and now you can resync after you remove that space and the artwork will stay. So this is a tedious process and you have to go through artist by artist to do this, but it does work every single time. If you have a better way of doing this, go ahead and put it down in the comments. I do realize that this isn't the most efficient way. It's not like you just click one button and it shows up, but this method works every single time. So on my recently added list, there are several songs that do not have artwork. So for all of these artists, I put a space after their name. So let's see if we can do multiple at one time. So now we're syncing and it worked. So you can do multiple artists, you just have to put a space after their name. So now I have to go back and delete the space. Like I said, it's a bit tedious, but it works every single time. This is how you get the album artwork. Go over the song and click the three dots in the lower right hand corner. And there is an option that says get album artwork. Sometimes this works and it'll just get it for you. But if that doesn't work, go to get info and then go over here to artwork. And let's say this is blank. So I'll take this out. All you have to do is Google what you're looking for. So this song is called Spread My Wings by Troop. So I Googled Troop Spread My Wings album cover and there's one right here. So you can just right click and click copy image and then come over here to the artwork tab, go up here to edit and paste, and it goes right there. So those are two ways that you can get the artwork. If you found that video helpful, be sure to subscribe to the channel, give it a thumbs up, and leave a comment. God bless you all.